Welcome to WordPress tutorials. My name is Bhushan Javade, and on this channel I intend to have short videos to answer some of the common questions on WordPress. Today I'm going to show you how to modify a default page not found page in WordPress, or what is known as 404 page. You might wonder why. Why is it important to modify the default page not found? So let's look at the default page not found. So this is a fresh installation of WordPress with a single hello world post, and if I go and see something which does not exist, like this one, this is how the page looks. Now this is an opportunity to connect with the visitor, because visitor is on your site to find out something and he has not found it. So it is an opportunity for you to assist them in finding it out. So you might have a search bar along with categories here below the search bar, or you might have recent post, or you might have something very creative which will help them stay on the site, because they always have an option to go somewhere else. So let's look at one of the creative examples which I have found is Airbnb. If you see, their 404 is something like this. So there is an image which has some kind of an emotional connect with the visitor that they have not found something, and then there are some helpful links. So this increases the chances of visitor not leaving the site and doing some kind of a search or going somewhere else on the site. So how do we do that? Now we are not going to have something as fancy, or we were not going to insert some images and all, but we will have a list of recent posts just below the search bar, so that if they are there for one of the recent posts, they can directly go there and click it. Now as this is a default installation, there is only one post, so let's add one. Let's add one more. So now we have more than one post. Now we want to show it just below the search bar. What we are going to do is we're going to open up the code. So I already have it open. We're going to go to WP content themes and go to your currently selected themes. Now the recommended way is you create a child theme, but I'll probably have a different video to show you how to create a child theme. It's very easy, but just for the sake of this video I'm going to go to the page directly and modify it. So this is the page 404. So if you see, this is where we have. So if you want to replace this with an image, you can do that here, but what we want to do is show the recent posts. So I'm going to take up a code which I've already copied from Codex. If you look for WP get recent post, you will find this. This is one of the first posts codes posted on that. Now that we have modified it, let's open, save it, and let's open it again and see what is the difference. Now let's go to something which does not exist. Here, as you can see, this is the old one, this is the new one. So now we have latest post and we have the recent post here. So the likelihood of they clicking here and being on the site is much more increased now with this change. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any common questions want to be answered on WordPress, do let me know. I will put it in the comments. I will arrange a video on that. I also have a post describing this process on my blog. I will add a link to that. So thank you and have a nice day.